Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to start streaming on Twitch from your phone. So if you want to go live on Twitch without using a computer, just follow along. First, open the Twitch app on your phone and sign into your account. After that, tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom. Next, select Stream from this device. If this is your first time streaming, Twitch may ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Make sure to tap Allow. Now choose the type of stream you want to start and enter a title for your broadcast. You can also select a category so viewers know what your stream is about. Before going live, make sure your internet connection is stable for the best streaming quality. And once everything looks good, tap Go Live to start your stream. Your broadcast will begin and viewers can join and interact with you through chat. When you're finished streaming, simply tap End Stream to stop the broadcast. And so that was how to start streaming on your Twitch from your phone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.